Social Science, Grade 7, Block 14, Political Parties, LP3, Coalition Government by teacher Shikha. Student will be able to explain the need for coalition government in the context of countries with many political parties. Children, I have a question. How is the government formed in India? If no single party gets majority votes in a country with many political parties, who will form the government? So children, the general explanation is a political party must get majority votes in an election to form a government. For example, if there are a total of 500 seats in the parliament, a party should get more than half the total number of seats to form a government, which is more than 250 seats in this case. Children, please read the content book. I have this question to discuss. How many parties contested elections in both the years? Who won majority seats in 84? Did any party win majority seats in 99? How many seats were required to form the government? Who do you think will form the government after these elections? Let's discuss the answer. In 84, more than 10 political parties contested the elections, while in 99, more than 14 political parties contested elections in 84. The Congress party won majority seats, while in 99, no single party won majority seats. BJP won the maximum number of seats, that is 184, which was less than half the total number of seats in the parliament, 543. In 84, Congress would form the government, but in 99, when no party won the majority seats, several like-minded parties would join the BJP, which won the highest number of seats, to form a government. Such a government is called a coalition government. Now here, this was a very brief discussion about coalition government. I hope this answer will clear many things. So, coalition government, when a single party does not win majority seats in election, then like-minded parties come together to rule the country. This is coalition government. Now, let's generalize our discussion. Why do you think political parties form a coalition? When is a coalition government possible? Think. So children, when no party wins majority seats in the parliament, a coalition government can be formed where different political parties collectively have a majority in the parliament. The idea of a coalition government started in India with the increase in regional parties. Only those parties who have similar beliefs or similar interests are likely to come together to form a coalition government and share powers in the government. Coalition governments are possible in countries with many political parties such as India. Children, what are some disadvantages of coalition governments? Let's discuss. Coalition governments can be unstable if one or more parties withdraw support from the government. In that case, the government loses the strength as a majority and fresh elections are needed. Elections cost a lot of money. Children, please read your content book and try to solve your worksheet. In case if there is any difficulties, please underline it and discuss with me during online session. As all the students should be able to identify coalition government and explain the need of coalition government in the context of countries with many political parties. Also should be able to identify the disadvantages of coalition government. Hope it is clear to you. Have a safe day. Thank you.